Everyone is talking about passing trading challenges, but no one is asking the real question. What do prop firms actually want in the funded trader? It's not just about hitting profit target. As someone who allocates capital to traders, I care about how you think. Let's flip the script. I will tell you exactly what I look for before giving someone tens of thousands of dollars to trade. I'm Sam, CEO of HyroTrader, and we are a crypto prop firm, funding traders across multiple platforms like Bybit, OKX, and Clio. We've seen thousands of traders take our challenge, but here is what might surprise you. Profit alone doesn't impress me. What matters is how you got those profits and whatever you can keep them. The first thing I look for in a trader, I think, is discipline. I don't care if you had one big trade that blew past the target. I care about consistency. Are you following the rules? Are you respecting your stop loss? Are you overtrading or revenge trading? We are not funding gamblers. We are funding serious traders. Next, I want to see a real trading strategy. That means you tested it, backtested it, you understand it, and you can explain it. I'm not interested in people who copy YouTube or Twitter signal. What's your real edge? When does your setup work and when doesn't? If you can't answer that, you are not ready to manage someone else's capital. Here is a big one. Realistic goals. I can tell within 3 minutes if someone is chasing dreams or building trading career. If your plan is to do 10x on your account in a week, I am out. Funded traders know that slow, steady compounding is the game. They protect the capital, they don't chase hype, and they are not flexing Lambos on Instagram while risking 50% of their account. The traders who stand out, they treat trading like a system. They use the right tools, TradingView, journaling apps, backtesting platforms. They understand data, win rate, risk to reward, drawdowns. Some even use automation to eliminate emotion. They know that trading isn't about vibes, it's about process. So when you ask what are you looking for in a funded trader, here is my answer. I am looking for someone who trade with discipline, has a clear tested strategy, set realistic goals, use professional tools, and think long term. We don't just want you to pass trading challenge. We want you to thrive once you are funded. Because at HyroTrader, we only win when you do. If you are that kind of trader or you are working to become one, come and take our free trial challenge, show us your edge, and let's build something bigger. Bigger than just few good trades.